how to add two videos in Instagram story. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add two videos in Instagram story. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump into Instagram. The first method is pretty straightforward. Swipe to the right to access the story mode and tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. Next, tap select at the top right and now you can choose multiple videos. Let me go ahead and pick two here. Once selected, hit next. The videos will be uploaded sequentially, meaning Instagram will display one after the other. You can rearrange the order, add music, stickers, or tag people. But remember, this method will only show one video at a time in your story, no combining videos on the same screen. Now, if you want both videos on one screen, you'll need to use a third-party app. I recommend InShot, which is a free video editor. Let's go ahead and open it. In the app, tap Video, then New. Select the first video you want to use and hit check. Now, tap and hold the video to resize and position it like putting it at the bottom right. To add the second video, tap the picture in picture icon, choose your next video, and position it wherever you like on the screen. You'll now have both videos playing simultaneously. When you're happy with the arrangement, tap the check mark, then hit the export share button at the top right to save it. This will save the combined video to your gallery. Now head back to Instagram, open your story, and upload the video you just created. From here, you can add music, stickers, and anything else just like any other story. Then hit publish, and your story with multiple videos on one screen will be live. I hope this tutorial helps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.